All right, now I know this has already given you the answer on the example here, but I'm going to go ahead and work it out. So we have this question, this function g of x is equal to our rule. This right here is your rule, okay? We want to take our input, and the whole rule is going to be our output. We have g of negative 3. You have this is a semicolon. That means we're looking for g of negative 3. That means we want the output, we're given the input. We want the output, we're given the input. So I'm going to take g of negative 3 and I'm going to put it in place for the x because we know x is equal to negative 3. We want to find out what y is equal to. Okay, I'm going to do 3, and then in the parentheses, I'm going to replace the x with our input, which is negative 3. Then I'm going to subtract 8. Now, to remind you, when we are in this situation, we are only simplifying the right side. We're not doing anything with the left side. We're just continuing the left side down. We're not solving an equation here. We are simplifying. So I'm only simplifying the right side. I'm going to do, this is a positive 3 times a negative 3, which is going to give me negative 9. We're going to bring down the negative 8. We've got 9 bad guys. We've got 8 more bad guys. So that means I'm going to have all bad guys left. So that means we're going to combine all of those bad guys together. That's going to give me 17, negative 17. So g of negative 3 is equal to negative 17. Now I'm going to show you and talk about if I have Desmos. Let me go ahead and write Desmos. I'm going to pull it up. Where's my Desmos app? That's not the right app. There we go. All right, here's my Desmos app. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter my equation in Desmos exactly as it is. Now, this is an alternative way. This is also an additional way that we can check our answer to make sure that I got it correct. Now, I'm double checking everything. I have an equal sign. I have an equal sign. I have a minus. I have a minus. Everything matches. Then in the next row, I'm going to put that g of negative 3. So g negative 3. That's going to give me negative 17. And we said it was negative 17. So we did do it correctly. This option will not work if you are looking for the input. We're looking for the output in this situation. If we're looking for the input, we've got a different scenario situation that we have to do. We're going to have to solve for an equation on those. Now, I'm going to go ahead and real easy go to our second example. Again, you already know the answer, but I'm going to go ahead and talk about finding it. We want to find the value of negative 4. Remember, this is our input, so that is our x. So I want to look at my number line. This is my y value, my y-axis, and this is my x value. So that means this negative 4 is our x value. We want to find our y value. So I'm going to go to my number line of negative 4. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this line right here. And I want to look at the value, the y value, when I cross that graph. That's that point right there. That is positive 2. So f of negative 4 is equal to positive 2. All right, that's pretty much all you're doing in the function notation. See you next time.